Hello, welcome to my channel, and this is first video with my face on the screen. Okay, so my name is Dede Wiweka, my second name, my last name, let's say. So in this video, in the first video in this channel, that is my face on it on the screen, I will explain about really interesting software, really nice. And I will explain also the background why I I I was really deep into checking this software because once I was on a project to create chatbot for one of my clients, and I found a bit challenging to give my client a way how to train the chatbot using AI with their own data source or their company knowledge base. And I searching online and I found out this software like 3 months ago, around 3 months ago, and I found a good deal on what was it, Sasila, if I'm not wrong. It was on Sasila, and I see try to find out, and I see this deal was really great. And what catch me really catch me is they have two-way or bidirectional API, which open the opportunity for me as a developer to really build something as an add-on for that software, or the opposite, this software can be a really amazing add-on for my software, like that. So that was the first why I'm interested in, really interested in, because when they open that bidirectional API, that means they are really generous software, generous people behind the software, let's say, like the one that wanted or willing to share. And another one is they have like white label, but we can talk about it later. Now I want to show you what is this actually. Let's see. I will share my screen now. Let me hide this control first. And I can share my screen with you. So this is the software I'm talking about. It's called NewOaks AI. The same like the domain name. It was looks really simple, but behind this, an amazing. Let me show you. Let me explain about what is this actually. This is like a chatbot that here we can see also. Let us the chatbot. What is New Oaks actually? See, it takes time a little bit, but how the chatbot explain in a very really interesting. It was quite uh, not new, not really new. They have time since that means it's already almost 2 years. Yeah, the team, there are 7 full-time software engineer, blah 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 here, and you see how they can make like this and like this on every website that we have. I would say this is great. And how to train? You see here, they provide me with just 2 minutes to train the chatbot. Let me try with this. Let me open my one of my website page, and I wanted to train with this. Uh, Let me put it here, and we'll start the demo. Let's see how long it takes for the software as a service to generate the chatbot just by providing the link of my website like this. There is some content. Look, They said 2 minutes. They are lying. It way less than 2 minutes, not even 1 minute. See, they make like an embed. Of course, we can do that also from the back end of. I built the website with WordPress. Yeah. So let's ask, hi, who are you? Let me ask generic question. You and what you can do. Let's see. See, AI assistance provided source link. What what is the product available? Let me ask like that. See, that's insane. So fast. And if I click here, for example, on any link, the, there is a link immediately. And it bring to my other page. How can it be? Wow, this is great. I would say I was amazed already from the way how they make the demo, not just generic demo, but specifically for my page. This is amazing, right? Isn't it? Okay, let me go back to their page. That was just one of what impressed me from this provider. See, they have this also to get. It's a kind of lead capture. If I can see from here, they can capture the leads or get my name and last name and also my email, which is important in internet marketing as well. So this, and here there is pricing 19 per month. We can use Cloud GPT as well. Oh, and look, this is the CEO of the NewOaks AI. Mm, and you see what this software can do? Appointment booking, which means that the chatbot can book an appointment for the visitor or the one who speak or who chat with our chatbot. Text and SMS, live chat on mobile. This is important also because when we have customer service or support team, they can work with the live chat. And this is what I like so much: bidirectional API as well as webhooks. Not just the API, but they have the webhook, which we don't need. You know, the difference between API and webhook. API is something that is, um, what is it named? Passive. What mean passive? Mean when a system is passive, that means I need to make a trigger or ask the data or send the data to the system. But webhooks mean this is active, which the the data will send automatically from when there is a change from within the software. This is amazing. Both, not just API, but it has the webhook as well. Omni-channel. See, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. This, I guess, browser or Google Sheets. Okay, it is amazing. Let me check. Okay, okay. But honestly, I just wanted to show you this is what the software I will talk about in this video in the next few minutes or maybe 1 hour. Let's see how interesting this will be. And yes, I have an account, an agency account. Actually, this account was I was working for one of my client, and I'm allowed to operate their account here. Okay, so let me show you. The pricing was already there. Next is the pricing, 11,000. See, for the first, for the essential, and professional give like 32 millions. This is huge. This could train like five researches journal, let's say, or for a company, I don't think it will need more than this. Almost any company, I guess, for the for not for everything, but for what we need to train the chatbot. I'm pretty sure this is much more than enough, and it support txt pdf for the training data. It could capture the leads, could create or book an appointment to make a scheduling directly to our calendly or google calendar. And then for this, for the last, for the professional tire here, it said custom domain. See, real estate template, e-commerce template. This is awesome because most of the business would be around this, yeah, e-commerce or services or real estate. 5,000 message credits a month. That's huge. For 49, that means, let's say, 1 cent. Is it 1 cent? If I'm not wrong, 10 maybe per message. Yeah? Calculate. Okay, so what else here? Workspace. It could integrate with Publi. This is would be interesting also. I will make a video on with Publi also automation. Not for this video, but the next video. So if you want to find more about what we need to, or what you want me to explain on my next video, then maybe just make a comment or subscribe, because then you will get notification once I have new video relate to anything technology like this, AI, chatbot, website. So here it said it has integration also with Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, which is really common use case that, I mean, everybody or every business will use this: Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And here, 10,000 message credits. This is amazing. For this price, I would say great. And what else? That's the pricing. They have add-ons also. If you want to use your custom domain, or even you want to make white label. This is great, white label. That means you can make your own business using these tools. Yeah. This is, currently you can, anyway, you can read all of this detail. I just want to walk you through, and let's see what we can do with this, but I'm pretty sure this is great. And I use it for 3 months already, and it's awesome. And let's go to their guide, what they have in their guide. So they have basic guide. Let me open on a new tab. Let me close the other tabs. So here, step by step, they have walkthrough video, workspace manager. Okay, so this is the way how we can use this software. It explained here. Okay, so let me check another guide. Oh, I'm interested in the API. Oh, they have Google Voice also. Flow Builder. Let's see what they have here. Wow, that means they are really open for cooperation with this. They really make us as a developer works easier, much easier without having the API. Because this is like a kind of, they give us a backdoor to make something, to make another automation for our platform to interact with their system. That amazing. Okay, so my chatbot. Okay, so this is I'm logged in already, yeah. So I'm logged in to the software, to the system. So when I log into my account, you will see there is this is what I get from Sasila, yeah? So this is all the access that I got with tier 3, but I'm interested into explain more about the, what is it name, about how it works, the system, the software itself, NewOaks AI, how it works, and how I can get benefit out of it. The most benefit what I can get from this is by using the chatbots. Let me show you from my own account, like the sub account, yeah, because there is main account, and also there is uh, another one is the sub account, because I'm allowed to use several workspace, especially for the tier 3. I'm allowed to use like unlimited basically unlimited workspace, yeah? And also unlimited on each workspace. I got unlimited chatbots. So if you see here, let me show you one of the, from one demo, yeah. So this is what is the interface, how it looks like in the dashboard. See, I can train my chatbot with just a Google Sheet. Google Sheets, this is really for me, make it so easy to train to train a chatbot, because before I need to go to OpenAI, I need to make the structure of my data, yeah. I have to structure my data even before I can fine tune with this. Like, I just put my data or my knowledge base in a spreadsheet. So if I click the spreadsheets, you will see how easy to really make it to train a chatbot. You see, they provide like a really great system here. I just need to put in, or let me show you another chatbot, because I make based on what they explained before. They have like e-commerce, they have like generic, and they have real estate. If you see here the real estate, I also did it on spreadsheets. You see, everything. This is get they get the data from my spreadsheet. So if I click here, we can do the auto sync, which means every time I change the data on my spreadsheets, it will change also the knowledge base or the data set for the chatbot. This is amazing. It's like a like real-time synchronization. Here you see the real estate. You can just put your company name, company explanation, or everything. It's simple, really easy. So, uh, okay, let me explain a little bit here. This video, we will just scratch the surface of New Oaks. Yeah. On my next video, I will go deeper into the details, really detail what this software can do for your business. It's not just a chatbot. Believe me, this is not just a chatbot. This is like your amazing assistants, which normally companies should pay a lot. Let's say, I don't want to say numbers because it's really depend on where you are. If you are in the States, for example, if you are in Europe, it could be different on each country, but there are a lot. And the amount of money you need to spend for an assistance, a lot. Okay, it doesn't mean that you don't need assistance when you use this. No, this this software or AI is a replacement for the repetitive task. As the founder of New Oak said, this is not to replace human. This is just to help human. Okay, so that is the philosophy behind why we take AI into our workflow, into our business, like that. Okay, and here I would like to also show you scratch a little bit. What is this actually? Look, they have flow builder that we can really build something. Yeah? When we make HTTP requests, what does that mean? That mean New Oaks open the opportunity for us to really feed our chatbot with an extra data that is dynamically, not fixed data. Yeah? This is dynamically will grab the data real time during the chatbot serving our customer. So it's real time uh, training. It's not a training, I would say. It's like they know what the chatbot will know on real time, the status of any data that we will feed them with this flow builder. This is a kind of extra API that we can grab from. I will explain more in the next few videos, in the coming videos. Now I will just show you the surface only. We just scratch the surface now. So that's what is flow builder and what is data source that they can provide. Uh, from here, the data source is really depend on the type of your chatbot. What you want, what we want to make the chatbot. We want to make the chatbot as a real estate agent. Then what they need, or what the chatbot need, is the details about our property. Like you see here, like, wow, see, this is the details. Where is it? The lot area, the building area, if they have parking spot, the description of the property. You can use it not just for one type of property, but any type of property, for sale, for rent. You can use it. That's powerful, I would say. You can even feed the chatbot with the lat lang, the coordinate. We can take from Google Map for something like this. Yeah, this is open, but there are some data that is necessary, like required, and some is optional. We can go there later on for the explanation, the detail about this. But I just wanted to show you the power, what you can do with new oaks. This is what I wanted to explain here in this video. Yeah, I'm so excited to explain to you how powerful is this amazing SaaS or software. It will serve us with the power of AI, and not just generic knowledge base. It's like specific knowledge base depending on whatever your business is. That's for me too. This is awesome. Okay, let's go to another one. See, I wanted to show you another from the e-commerce part, what we can train the chatbot if we have e-commerce type. Look, it could train the categories, yeah, the the name of the product, the description, the price, and we can edit. Of course, we can edit the details. The price, what is the brand, the image, because the chatbot can answer and show the image as well. It's like they serve everything. And that's not all, because we can extend the attribute. For example, you have collection. Yeah? What includes in which collection? Let's talk about this. This is like jewelry, what I use for a demo example. You can put extra attribute. Is this what collection is this? Who is the designer? We can put the extension. We can do it directly here or on the spreadsheet, like here. For example, is it this one? No. Okay. Let me show you the spreadsheet. Where is it, the spreadsheet? Okay. Guess this one. I will copy this. And then let's open the spreadsheet that we use for this particular bot. Okay. Let's see. What is it? Look, this is how they train. I just need to put in all the details here, and New Oaks will grab all the data from our spreadsheet and become like this. Become like this. See? And that's not all. Because a few days ago, before I record this video, New Oaks released an amazing, really, I would say this is amazing way of how how to train your data when you use WooCommerce. You know, WooCommerce, really, honestly, I use a lot of uh, I use WooCommerce for a lot of my clients who make e-commerce website, because it's easy for the customer, for the owner of the business to manage. Also, it helped me as a developer also to make it faster and uh, reliable, let's say like that. Okay, so let me show you where how it is, because I still don't make, because just a few days, maybe 2 days ago, they released a new feature. When I make, for example, the e-commerce, you see, this is how I make it. How I make, or if you want to try, you can just register for free. There is a free trial of New Oaks AI. You can just go there, make one account for yourself. If you like it, then take it. But I'm pretty sure you will like it. So this is, look, you can use Google Sheets as I explained before, or you can choose WooCommerce. So when you use WooCommerce, you can just do this immediately, directly to WooCommerce. But if you use like a kind of Shopify or another, uh, in WordPress, there are several e-commerce, but this is the most the most used e-commerce plugin on WordPress. But there are several like Surcart. There is NotCommerce. I mentioned them just to to give a global image about uh, what is actually you can use with Google Sheets. Yeah, when you use WooCommerce, when you use Google Sheets. When you use WooCommerce for your website, what you need to do just to enter your website URL, the home page only, let's say the top level domain here. And then they explain already here, it's not much. You see, just go here to WooCommerce setting and then click on advanced. If you use WooCommerce, you will know it immediately. It's super simple. And then you click on the REST API. Once you are there, create your API. And then you just need to make this permission to get the data from your website, copy the consumer key and consumer secret, just paste here. That's it. And when you click next, it's all done. Your data will be there. Your data will immediately, like what I saw before, exactly like how the Google spreadsheets also works. It's super simple. It's not that like rocket science technology that you need to do a lot of things. No, it's super simple with this. See, wow, I would say that's amazing. Let me explain another one. When we go to the generic, when we go to source here, when we use, because there are three types, yeah? There are three types of chatbot. First is the generic. Generic means if you have service website, what you provide for your customer is a service, I recommend you to use this one, the generic template. Let me show you here. Yeah, generic. This is with template, with e-commerce or real estate. But on the other one here, this is the generic one. See, and when I show you how it is when you create on the source, you will see you can train your chatbot with PDF, doc, txt, and this is like click, grab your file, and that's it. It will train. Or the next is you can do with text. You can just put the text that you want the chatbot to learn from, and here you can train with website. Obviously, of course, that's the easiest way. With website, this is the easiest way, especially if you have website. Yeah, because most of the business, they have website, except really someone who, but that is not a must, because we can train with something else. This is, let's talk about, if you have website, then you just need to paste. Let me show you before, like this, for example. You just need to paste that website URL here. You fetch, click that one, and let the system will grab all the data from your web page. It's like automatic. They make it super easy. You see, found one links for you. Let's check. Here I train a lot already. Yeah, I train a lot of website. See, and at the end you will see this, the one that we just pasted in. Yeah, and here, this is a huge website. I train with 13,000 character, and we still have a bunch more. This is like, that's a lot. This is really, you see, a lot of data I already put in, but I don't even use a half, not even a half I use it. And this is like a huge data that if I scroll, I'm tired scrolling. See, it's a lot with the website. This is how to train website. If let me delete this one, because maybe not real fun with what I make here. For example, if you use websites, WordPress, for example, and you use a SEO plugin, That's even much easier to train because every SEO plugin they have like sitemaps generator. So what you need to do, you just need to submit here the sitemap. See, for example, like my website before here, the sitemap URL, you will, let's say like this, Yoast SEO plugin, they have their sitemap URL. Another SEO plugin will have another type. You just need to search on their documentation. You will find where. For example, this one is sitemaps. Was it sitemap XML? Let me try if it's really, no, not this one. So index. Sorry, I was wrong here without S. Sitemap XML, like this, for example. Okay. Thi- This this is the page. What I need to paste, that's it. I need to paste that one here. It will scroll it will crawl or get all the links available in your sitemap like this. So that's how easy to train. Or for example, if you have Foursquare, what is that name? Or any other, they have sitemap for sure. You just need to find on their docs. You just need to paste over there. The system will crawl all. If you have 1,000 page, for example, it will crawl automatically. So life so much easier with sitemap. Yeah, when they provide the sitemap crawler, life so much easier. You don't need to find one by one paste like this. Otherwise, I don't like to paste like this. Is how many? A lot. This is like 800 pages. See, it is, you you see, more than 800, 975 link, and I do it just one click. I just put it on the submit the sitemap, and NewOaks do the rest. Isn't it awesome? Okay, so let me show you another one. I'm so excited with this because this is awesome. I like it. I'm pretty sure you will like it. You just need to try first. If you just listen to me, maybe not the best because I'm not a good explainer. I just wanted to explain my experience here, how I use it, how I use the new oaks. And you can put your question and answer. So the bot, yeah, the system will learn from your QA and they will act based on the sample that you give here. So that's how it works, the QA. You can add as much as you want, 500 QA, it's okay. If you like to, or if you have it already, then you just need to do that. Or if you have already in a file, you just need to upload here the QA. So you have a lot of options here. And the next after the QA, and remember, after you put more data, you need to retrain the chatbot. So that is obviously, of course, because there is new data, then retrain again. Good. So the next is Google Sheets, the same like the others. You can provide everything from your Google Sheets. You just need to paste your Google Sheet URL like this, for example. You just copy and then paste. When you first make the chatbot, New Oaks have template already, template that you can use. Let me show you just how easy it is. When you click here, you want to create. So this is how to use it, the Google Sheet. And they have the example. You just need to click here. You will see the example. You just need to fill in all the details here and then copy the URL. But of course, not using this one. Yeah, I recommend you to first here make a copy and make your own, my very own data, for example, and then you make a copy. See, and it has already the auto sync, so you don't need to do anything, just make a copy like this. And then if you want to make it fast first without training, you just need to grab this, because you can't wait to see or to see the dashboard. Just paste here, create chatbot, it will go, it done, something like that. Oh, the color doesn't have permission. Okay, sorry. It was my fault. I need to share this first. It's still restricted. You just need to make like this for anyone. Make done and then create. It works. You have already. You just need to rename now here. Rename my very own chatbot. That's it. See? See how fast to make it? You have already. You can try your chatbot. It's still not trained, but it's already have capability. Hi, for example. I said hi. I still did not train my chatbot, but it works already. Imagine if I train already this my very own data with my chatbot data. See? You put the company info here. You put the data here. So that's what I mean with how fast you can work with this. That and I have a lot of this. I will make a lot of videos explaining about how to use to get the best out of NewOaks software. If I show you what I have made with this, actually you can integrate here with WhatsApp via Twilio. You can make with the Google voice, means you can make a call or SMS with this. You can use Twilio. If you used to use Twilio, it's easy. You can use like Messenger. See, I will explain a lot about this in the next videos, because this already, let me check how long is this, almost 1 hour. You see, like we just scratch the surface, still not all, but this is amazing. Actually a lot of things that we can explore more with NewOaks. I encourage you to try first. Just go there, register for your account, of course. So you will ask why you you recommend me to use this one. I never recommend something that I am not using it. I use it first, I try, and now I'm the user of NewOaks. So, and I like it. When I like it, I will recommend. So like that. You can go with. Okay, let me explain also. They have like an. Do they have? Yes, they have. They have like workspace system. What does that mean? That means that you can create a lot of like a workspace. You know workspace is works like to categorize your project. In my case, I use workspace for to to create one space, one project. Let's say in OpenAI, maybe like project. It's called project. I create a project for one of my client, because I can act as an agency. I can create the chatbot for my client, or I can provide also the power of NewOaks AI for my client. When my client know how to do it, they can have their own dashboard. They log into their own dashboard like that. So that's what I like from this software. They're really open for cooperation. NewOaks AI not only for their own customer, not for only the end customer or end user customer, but also for developer, for agency. So this is what I like. Okay, so and this is amazing. Let me show you live chat app on iOS and Android. What does that mean? Try register first. Yeah, you can register. I will put a link on the description. If you want to support me to create more video like this, you can click. Yeah, this is like, I will tell you what I get if you click that affiliate link. But disclaimer, yeah, I make this video not because of the affiliate, yeah, because I like it. It's giving benefit for me. If you want to support me, you can use that one. Otherwise, you just go to NewOaks AI, please. Yeah, it's just an extra because why don't I use my affiliate in the description if I have it, or if you want to support it? If not, it's okay. It's not a must because there is an affiliate link. Then I put. Otherwise, it's okay. Okay, so you can check on the description also if you would like to support me to create more video like this. Okay, and you just go here. every time someone every time someone from your website make or get leads like here, yeah, I will explain more because I explained from the beginning. This video is just an introduction, a lot of things that I could explain. It takes me hours and hours to explain everything, but I will do it step by step so we all can understand why I like it, why I recommend this, something like that. Okay, appointments. You can get, or you can ask our chatbot to make appointment from Calendly or Google Calendar. If you have Calendly account, you can just connect, seamless connection. Uh, so this is amazing. I won't explain here. I just show you what is the capability. This lead connection, to capture the leads, like I explained from the beginning on the front end. I guess on the front end here, they could show us this. You see, this is lead capture. Once the chatbot get one leads, the chatbot can also send what they can send here on the web workspace. You can provide the webhook. You can send the webhook to your CRM, whatever you use the CRM. This will send, and they explain the guide here. They just show you what is the power, what we can use. Yeah, and that's the live chat. This is what I mean with the live chat. What is this? This is relates to the app. Every time someone asks for, let me show you like this, for example. This is when we use the live chat on the web browser version. Okay, this is the web browser version. Imagine you have a team. Your team can work together from this, or you can use this. If you are not on desktop, you can go to iOS or Android. That's a lot of feature, a lot, really a lot. So this video will explain just small, really tiny part of my next serial videos that will I will personally encourage everybody to go and register for New Oaks. If you want to support me, go to the description. I will put my affiliate link. It doesn't mean that you have to use that one. It's just because I have a link, because I have the account. Why not? I put there, right? Okay. So that is this is the white label. I don't have the white label on this account, but if you would like, there is an add-on for that. I just use the what is it name? On this account, I use the tier 3, which is for agency. This is amazing. Let's see. As I said, I will make 1 hour video. Let's see how long. Almost. We still have 10 minutes left. Let me explain. Well, let me use these 10 minutes to really explain to you more about New Oaks AI. Let me go back to this is the if you go basically this is exactly the same like how when you do it on the iOS version. It will looks like this more or less, that you can choose any what is it name, any session that your visitor sorry, your visitor was chatting on. When they need like human takeover, you will get notification to your email that, oh, someone need human support. That means they would like to talk with human or to chat with human, so you can take over from here. Otherwise the chatbot will do the job. So this is what I mean. This chatbot or New Oaks AI or any AI is not to replace human, but to give opportunity for us as a human to do something more productive and creative, not just doing the repetitive tasks like answering, oh, how much is this. The bot can do that. Yeah. So that is actually what is New Oaks and AI about. Let me explain another one. They have roadmap here. Talk about roadmap. Believe me, this is the fastest delivery from a chatbot team. They were insane. Go to their group, you will see how fast they are delivering. And I have good feelings that they they will they try they will do their best for sure. And I trust this team. His name, the CEO name Ray. You can reach him on many platform, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, or YouTube also. They're doing like weekly, every week on Tuesday at 10. I'm in Bali, so it is 10 p.m. in Bali. They make this, which means every week they have like a webinar to explain what they have done last week, and that is amazing. Go there, visit their YouTube channel also. It's really great. What else? Workspace management, I explained before. We can create, but not from this account. Yeah, this is my sub account. I log into the sub account, but if we log into the main account, I will explain that about the structure of account and workspace in the next videos, not in this video, because here I wanted to explain about the general things. Chatbot, I explained already about the source. Keywords trigger, this I will explain again. In case you have a specific keywords that you want the bot answer, no, it's like a fixed answer, not language based answer. You know what I mean? Because this chatbot able to speak in many language. I'm not remember how many, but for sure more than 40 languages worldwide. Depend on the AI we use, yeah, because this chatbot can use Cloud and also OpenAI. OpenAI support like 90 languages plus. That means OpenAI also will be able to use this chatbot will be able to speak in that much language also, that numbers language. See, you can make the keywords what you need to answer, you want chatbot to answer. This is like a fixed pattern, not language based. I will explain more about this also in the other video. And as always, the company is the main data that the chatbot need to know about. How can you hire someone without telling what your company do? Something like that. Okay. What else? Hmm. Or if you have specific question, just make a comment below on this video. I will make a video to answer your questions. Integration, I explained already. Embed. This is amazing. This is what you can do. It's not just one type of embed. This is three types of embed. What is three types of embedment? Here, you can embed a script. You can embed on website like YouTube video, for example. You can embed like that, and it will function like the pop up like this. That is embed. Let me show you here the example of the embed. I will close some. Here is uh, e-commerce, e-commerce demo, if I'm not wrong. Sorry, I'm wrong. I don't remember also the I just click here because I have some demo. Customer service agent demo. This is called embed. See, like a YouTube video, for example. If you want to provide something, actually this you can resize, yeah. But I like to have like half, no, 40%, 60% like that. So this is the embed. Yeah, this is the embed of this one. And there is another one called chat bubble like this exactly. And here, as you see, also embed like a chat bubble. Yeah, like a chat bubble also. This is the page embed. This is the chat bubble embed. So so like that. That's the difference between these two. I will explain more again on the next videos because we still have because I would like to make like one hour video, 1 hour video. Of course, I will make a specific tutorial. This is introduction. I will make a specific tutorial how to use it from beginner until advanced, until how you use it on API to connect with your system, your existing system, whatever you have. If you use Publi, you use Zapier, you use Flowmatic, you can use any automation system. You use Sure Trigger, for example. A lot of things. You use Make, you use Active Pieces, a lot. I can't say one by one. I'm not using all of them. That the basic of automation system always the same when it is related to API and webhook. Okay. So what else I wanted to explain? The share direct link. See this? When you copy this, you can embed this whole system into an iframe. Let me paste. You can embed your chatbot. For example, what is this use case? For example, you create um, mobile apps. You need this one. When you create a mobile apps, you need like the whole page embed. not an iframe simple, but the whole page into one link like that. So a lot, still a lot, but let me check the time. You see, 1 hour already, exactly 1 hour. I wanted to explain a lot more, but if you want more explanation like this, please make a comment. Let's see if a lot of people or many people need more explanation. We just scratch not even 2%, not even 2% of what NewOaks AI capable of. Yeah. So I would love to continue, but I have something to do. And then let's continue on another video. Yeah. Nice to meet you in this video, but of course, um, on the next video, what I wanted to explain a lot more relate to technical, relate to the technical. What we can do from this. For now, I explain what is New Oaks, so everybody know. I'm so excited about this. I would love to share more, and of course, it would be awesome and amazing if you can support me also by clicking on the subscribe button. If you would love to, then thank you for that. And see you on the next video with much more amazing information. So bye bye, and thank you for your time to watch my video.